Okay, you all remember Kyla. If you check out my previous videos, a few videos back, I was with Kyla making this gorgeous DIY for her bedroom wall. But hello, no. Typical teenager's room, guys. So we are going to sort this out for her tonight. It's getting late, it's Friday night, woohoo, let's get started. And hopefully we're going to make some gorgeous storage containers and it's going to match her wall. Let's do it. So we're going to go from this to this. OMG. How amazing is this, guys? This has sorted out Kyla's space completely with her beautiful pink blush stool and her desk, and she's all ready to do her homework, isn't that right?
Yeah.
Guys, how gorgeous is this? Right, so we have got all of these beautiful storage solutions and we're going to make them. So let's go. Follow the journey. Enjoy the video. This is pretty much like one big massive junk modelling session, people. It's so easy. So I brought an arrangement of cardboard tubes, boxes, all the stuff that you should throw into recycling, but I kept it for this video. So Kyla has already chosen what she wants and we've already cut them down, and that is these cardboard tubes. These are like any poster tubes or kitchen towel tubes, I guess you could use for this. So yeah, this is what you'll need. Do you want to say it, Kyla? Shall I?
Yes.
Hot glue gun standard. You will need this to put everything together in the end. Glue sticks. You'll need your scissors, and we are using marble sticky back adhesive paper from WILKO's. And yeah, and we're also going to make a fake flower vase thing from, this was just a gift box from Sanctuary, one of my favourite products, and yeah, we're going to put some of these flowers in that are the same as her bedroom wall. So first things first, we're going to cover all of these with the marble, bit like you did back in school when you had to cover your textbooks. So let's get cracking on that. So the first thing you need to do really is get your cardboard tubes and your whatever design you're going for. We're going for marble to match Kyla's decor, and basically lay it on the back, work out exactly how much you want and cut a strip. So you do that for every single tube and then you've got everything you need. Kyla has decided she'd like just a piece of copper inside to show, so when all the storage bits are sort of on her table, you'll be able to see a glimmer of copper, which will hopefully match this box, and it will match her wall DIY as well, so it all ties in together. So we'll also do that. Guys, how gorgeous does this look? Oh my god. Right, okay, they look messy, yes, but we're going to put a copper lining just at the tops and the inside of each one, except this Pringle part, which it won't stick inside, but that's okay because it's silver anyway. So, oh my god. Are you liking?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm loving all this marble and copper. Oosh. Pretty! Right, let's get on with the copper. So guys, you're going to cut a strip of copper. This is also from WILKO's. Just cut a narrow strip just to go on the inside like this one. It doesn't go all the way down because that's just a waste, pure waste. So you just want it around the tops to hide those horrible bits. Okay, the inside we have realised it's definitely worth cutting tiny little squares. Doing squares first. The strips are fiddly, too awkward. So guys, if you're going to do the insides, just cut little squares and do bit by bit. completely finished. Kyla loves it. You love it? I love it too. So Kyla has arranged this in like a semicircular fashion with the big one in the middle. The next step is to get the base for it. So these are hollow. They will need a base. We're going to use this board. So we're going to sit them where you want them, and then we're going to draw around them. Then we're going to cut the board out. Then we're going to hot glue them on.
Yeah.
Yeah? Because it's going to be easier that way round. Okay, so the next step, once you've cut out your cardboard base, you're going to just draw around your circles one by one, and you're going to glue them down. So you put the glue on the cardboard first, because you can do it a lot quicker, and it won't dry as fast as it would if we were putting it on the base of these, because you have to be more careful. But yeah, once you've done that, oh, there's a big dollop. Is that hot?
That's right.
Okay, and then you stick your first one down. Where's the green? Perfection. And then you basically go around the circle, working around, sticking each of your tubes into place. And here is the finished product. And I love it. Kyla loves it too. You love it, don't you? It's going to look absolutely gorgeous on her dressing table. And I've got 2 more things to just do now for her dressing table. And that is to make a vase DIY flower arrangement. And one more thing that I bought for her that she doesn't know. We'll just quickly knock that up at the end, because that's not really a DIY, but we'll just put it together. So, okay, let's get on with the vase. Okay, the plan for the DIY vase is to take this box. I got this as a gift set. Thank you very much for that. That was very lovely. I've taken all the things out. This is the box that's left, but it's so pretty. It's got this copper lining. So Kyla is going to cover the cream in the marble and leave the copper lining. And look what it says. It says, be kind to yourself. So she's going to see that on the outside of her vase when it's all finished. So yeah, going to do the lines around. Just cut your strips of marble, and that's what we're doing. And then when that's done, we're going to add the flowers at the top, and it's going to be beautiful. Okay, that is the box done. So the trick for putting the flowers in the top is just to draw around the box on a piece of card. We're going to stick the roses onto the card, and then that is going to slot just inside. So then you can either, Kyla, have it as a secret storage, or you can glue them permanently on the top. Yeah, so go ahead and rip the roses off all of the stems, and then we've got the cardboard piece here that we're going to hot glue the roses onto, and that should, if all is well, look at Betty in her dressing gown. All right, Gladys.
All right, Treacle.
Hello, Treacle. Yeah, so we're going to actually pack these roses onto the square. So I think we're either going to work with, well, just see how it goes. See how many you can fit on. You don't want too many, but you don't want too few. Okay, we'll see. Does it fit inside?
Yeah, that's it. Nice. How that?
Oh yes, it just fits. It just fits. So you can, 2 things, either glue it in place permanently, or just have it as secret storage. Get all your mess out of the way. You lift it off as a lid. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. I'm so impressed. Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
It's actually going to match this. Oh my god. Guys, okay, last thing. Glass jar. So the last thing for Kyla's dressing table is this from one of my old videos, guys. Check it out. How to remove wax from a candle. You know, you all need to know. So, yeah, this was a candle. I removed the wax and it's a pretty jar now. So, bought Kyla these from the garden centre. It says decorative crushed glass. On the back it says can be used for arts and crafts. It also says might cut you. So do be careful, guys, when you're using this. Not suitable for kids, choking hazard and all that jazz. But Kyla is a teenager, so she's a responsible young adult. So we're going to pour those into the jar. And it is precisely at this point, I completely forgot to say any more about it. Once she poured the beads into the jar, it looked like this. She could put her brushes in there and they held them really nicely. Thanks for watching, guys.